Hello everyone. So today we have with us Mr. Rahul. Hello Mr. Rahul, how are you?
Yeah, Rishabh, I'm good. Thank you to having me. I'm great. Thank you.
Yeah. So Mr. Rahul, can you very briefly introduce about yourself, like what you do and where you're from, something about you?
Yeah, definitely. So, as people know, my full name is Rahul Sharma, and I hail from UP, but born and brought up in Faridabad itself. It is a city of Haryana. Okay,
Hmm.
and it is very near to Delhi. It is at Haryana border. And
Okay.
I completed all my education in 2010. Basically, I'm a BTech holder from mechanical engineering. It's been more than 10 years that I have been working with the different organizations. So
Okay.
I'm an engineer basically, and
Okay.
right now working with the different MNC organization. It's been more than 3 years that I have been working in this organization. I'm a
Okay.
married man. Yeah, I have a 4.5 years baby, and I live in a joint family.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. That's great. Means by the profession you are an engineer.
yeah,
Okay, fantastic. So, Mr. Rahul, today we will be talking all about your journey because I'm connected to you, okay, and I know you very well. So today I will be talking something about English, about your journey, and something we will try to learn from you, that about your life,
hmm
about your journey, how you accomplish the problems and all. Okay, so first of all, one thing I
hmm
want to say that you have a very good English. Okay, so can you tell the secret, like how you got this much good English, or what is the secret behind your English? Okay, or something you can say about your English, that how you got fluency in the terms of English.
yeah. I would love to. I would love to share this kind of things with you guys, and I have been discussing these all things. It's been a long time. I have connected with a lot of people now. So it was the part of 1.5 years back when there was lockdown, and
Uh-huh.
my company was also in lockdown. I was not even having that much time to do something different, so I thought that yeah, this is something different I can do with myself, and I love this language very much. It's been a long time I was focusing over that, but I couldn't even focus very much. So
Uh-huh.
in lockdown, I got that time. I was totally focusing over my English.
Okay.
There was three work to do all the time. I need to eat, sleep, and drink, as well as to learn English. Either it is writing, either it is listening, either it is talking with the people. Okay, I was totally immersed myself into this. Whenever I get the chance, I always talk with the people. I always get the chance to talk with the people. And
Okay.
at that time as well, if I tell you very clearly, I was watching one of that video. I don't know the name of that person who was introducing. So the point is, he was introducing one application in that app, in that
Okay.
particular video. Sorry.
Uh-huh.
So the video he was talking about Talk Now. The application name was Talk Now, right?
Uh-huh.
And suddenly I downloaded that video and I started connecting with the people. It was 10:30 in the night, and I was just very eager to talk with the person, and somehow I connect with the person. But that
Okay.
application was not even as much developed that you can connect very frequently with the people. So it took more than half an hour, more than 1.5 hour to connect with the people, and somehow I connected with one person.
Okay.
And the journey has been started from there itself, and I couldn't even stop myself. I was getting each and everything from such kind of application, and just right after that I connected with the different applications, just like Buddy Talk.
Uh,
Okay, yeah, and Talk Now. And
mm,
there was different kind of applications.
exactly. Okay.
And how I landed up there was then I met 2 to 3 friends over there. They were very serious about learning. They were
Uh,
discussing about IELTS, and they were discussing about we need to be very fluent, we need to be very good English, we need to be very you can say such kind of standard words and vocabs. And so they used to talk about these things only, but
uh,
I was not even thinking about that. I need to correct my English. I need to be fluent, but not as much fluent. I was thinking to be perfect in that, but you can understand there is no one perfect in this world. That you have to agree with it.
exactly.
So that was
Okay.
my journey.
Okay. Like in simple word, if I say, I think you started in the lockdown. I think most probably if you see like 70-80% in the groups and all, like everywhere, they started improving in the lockdown. Okay, and same thing with me. Like I think when there was lockdown, okay, and I think I have like I completed my 10th and I was getting bored. So same like you, I was watching a video or like somehow by ads and all, I got to know about an application and I started using that. And when I connected to a lot of people, lot of strangers, that really changed my mind. Okay, so I think you have utilized lockdown in a good way. Okay, like there is two type of person. Okay, usually first is like you who have utilized the lockdown in a good way, learning and improving something. And second kind of person like who wasted their time, might be watching some Netflix or playing games or doing some irrelevant activities. Okay, fine. I think that application changed your life. Okay, you started connecting with good people. Okay, you started talking with different people from different mindset. Okay, who were having good attitude towards learning something. Okay, and you also change yourself according to that. Okay, fine. So your
Right,
journey was
right.
very inspirational, motivational, and it was also same like me because your journey and my journey is quite similar. I also started in lockdown. I was using some application and all. After that, I got to connected with these and all. Okay, okay, fantastic. You have explained about your journey. So next question is that okay, like every person have problem in their life. Okay, so because when I was talking with people and when I was improving myself in the terms of English, I was also getting lot of hurdles and lot of problem in my life. Okay, usually I was getting like my parents were saying don't do this or something different. People was like demotivating me. So a lot of problem I have got, and I think everyone get the problem because in life if you're not getting problem, then what is the mean of life? So can you tell like
Right.
some of the problem what you were getting in terms of English, like when you were in the journey? I think from 1 to 2 year you are into the journey. So what is the problem you have got and how you accomplish that? How you tackle that problem in your life?
Okay. So you are generally asking about this English only, or as well as my life journey, as well as my professional journey.
Yeah, yeah. Like you
So
can say about first, like you can explain about your English journey also. Okay, then after that, what more problems you were like mostly in the terms of English. Okay, because some are from Hindi medium background, some have different problems. Okay, when I listen the problems of different people, so they give me a lot of problems. Okay, everyone have problem. They give me I'm from Hindi medium, I'm from this, my I can't speak, I'm stammering, lot of problems. So what is your problem and how you tackled that? So that our listener who are facing that problem can get motivation as well as idea from you so that they can also
yeah,
fix in their life the problems.
yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely, definitely. Okay, so first of all, I will be very lucky that they'll get my story, and sometime they can inspire themselves, and they can improve something, a bit of improvement they'll have in their future, definitely. So the point is, yeah, that's for sure that I need to tell about me that such kind of schooling I was having, it was core government school, it was pure government school. It was just like a school that you need to take your carpets, you need to take your carpets along with you all the time. Suppose that if you are a monitor, so you need to take care about all 62 candidates, all 62 students carpets along with you. You need to take care about them as well. And sometimes you need to think that be a monitor, and being a monitor, if you are doing this kind of thing, so what is the purpose to being a monitor, right?
Hmm.
So you need to feel that, yeah, I was maybe unlucky some way, but yeah, it is a part of life. And I was from such kind of schooling that there was two things I learned from that school, that all the time sense in the school, it means mitti, you can understand. And the second part is that carpet. Okay, we all the time sit, and in our single class we used to have more than 60 or more than 65 students all the time, you can understand. And there will be a subject of one English subject that you can understand, that you can learn, or you can do these kind of requirement, whatever is given from your teacher, right? You need to do the same activities as well. So the point is, there was no point of learning, but instead we were learning something from there itself. And if I tell you about my problems, so problem is everywhere, we have to agree with it. There is no one person in this world exists that he doesn't even have any kind of problem. And you need to be that particular person, you need to overcome that problem, then only you can be successful in your life. And now if I tell you very clearly, the lockdown was just for 3 months, more than 3.5 months I was in lockdown, I was at home, right? Just right after that I started working. and I'm not coming. I do not even come from such kind of professional world that I do each and everything from my home only. Okay, work from home. You can understand, because I come from technical field. I need to be present in the company. I need to take care about the machining. I need to take care about the designing. Okay, I need to present all the time. I cannot even hold my position to being at home. Okay, so I need to present over there, and I presented just right after 3.5 months, right? And my company is approximately 50 kilometer far from my house. I need to have my bike, and then I need to park my bike. Then I need to take my cab, and 1.5 hours to take to reach. Okay, so that was the particular time I utilized all the time. That was the moment. And I all the time think that there is a lot of people, approximately 40 people in my cab. They always used to do some kind of different activities. They do not even focus over such kind of things as I was doing earlier. So it's somewhere disturbed me that, yeah, you are only the person reading, watching, listening, talking with the people, and doing the same activity day to day, day in and day out. So I was somewhere bored, and my mind started saying that, yeah, you are not the right person. You are not doing it. You are not even living your life. You are not enjoying yourself,
Yeah,
right?
means
And
you
one
you
thing,
were like out of box with the different
yeah,
members in the box.
I was somewhere something different, which is making me bored as well. I was feeling that you are not the right person to make yourself successful or make yourself happy
Exactly.
sometime,
Mhm.
right? But I didn't even distract myself, if I tell you very clearly. Okay, I was completely completely stick with that. I was completely focusing over that. I
Okay.
was talking with the people day in and day out. I need to introduce the session all the time. I used to conduct the session day in and day out. I used to
Uh,
talk with the more than 20 people in a day. Okay, randomly. There is a lot of groups I have connected with, more than 6 to 7 groups. That you are one of the part of that group also.
exactly.
Okay, so at that time I learned that there is a lot of people, they are struggling with this language, and somewhere we are fine with it, and we are very comfortable with it. Okay, we are
Uh,
very comfortably talking with the people. Okay, on the other hand, they are struggling with that. So I thought that, yeah, we are the right person. I need to be a public speaker. I need to be the part of someone that we can improve someone. We are improving
yeah.
ourselves as well. So I somehow overcome each and everything, whatever I was facing. There were a lot of struggles, there were a lot of obstacles coming in my way, but I all the time try to overcome. I didn't
Mm.
even think that, yeah, you cannot even do. I was continuously doing the same thing.
Uh,
Definitely, I'll get somewhere. I thought that I'll get somewhere, definitely.
got it,
So
got it.
that was the point, if I tell you very clearly.
Like yeah, like I think those person complain that I'm from a government school, or I don't have a good background. I think you're the live example for those people, okay, who come with this kind of problem, that I'm from a government school, or I haven't got a good schooling, or from, like, they give a lot of complaints. I think you're the live example for those person, okay, who come up with these complaints, and they give a obstacle, okay, in terms of learning English. And also one point I've learned from you, that consistency. Okay, as you have said that you were busy into your life, you were busy into your job, then also you were conducting the meetings, you were talking to people every day, you were reading, writing, and spite in bus you were traveling. Okay, you were doing this kind of thing. Okay, so I think the main thing we can learn about consistency from you. Okay, and without consistency we can't do anything. So one last question I have, like, and this question I ask from every guest in my podcast. So, like, what is a piece of advice you would like to give to our listener? Might be that piece of advice, or might be a message for our listener. It can be related to English, or it can be related to your life lesson, or anything, like what you have learned from your life, or what learning you have got, or might be related to English. So, what is a piece of advice? You can please share your piece of advice with us.
Okay. Okay, it is one of the nice question, and I would say there is one quotation actually. One wise man said, "The shoe that fits one person pinches another. The
Okay.
shoe that fits one person pinches another. There
Uh,
is no universal path or way to live your life." Okay,
mm,
so what is the point to say this particular quotation at this point of moment? Because
okay.
everybody is different in this world, right?
Uh,
If I tell you something, it doesn't mean that if you'll apply the same thing in your life that you will be happy. and that would be the
Mm.
piece of advice from me, right? So the point
Okay.
is, whatever you do, being a man, whatever you do, you need to happy with that only. Just
Mm.
find your happiness in your own way. Don't focus over others. Okay, don't give your happiness key to others, because they'll not even make you happy, they'll not even let you happy. So the point is,
Exactly.
whatever you do, just try to find your peace in that way. Okay, try to make yourself happy all the time. And one more thing, in this professional world, I would say that there is no a particular time comes for happiness. There is a lot of people, they always wait for the weekend,
Mhm.
right? Then let the
Exactly.
Saturday come, let the Sunday come. That's definitely we will be happy with that. Okay, so
Uh,
Sunday and Saturday doesn't even provide the happiness to you.
uh,
You are only the person provides you the happiness on yourself only, right? It
mm.
means all the days, on Mondays, Tuesdays, whenever you get the chance, that try to make yourself happy. Okay,
Exactly.
and on the other hand, I would say there
Uh,
is there is no universal path. I would say that if you have any kind of passion, just try to follow it. If somebody
mm.
is stopping you, so he is not even going to live your life. Okay, don't
Exactly.
focus others. You are
Uh,
only the person living your life, and you are only the person that will repent in your life, that in future I didn't even do these kind of things because my father was stopping. I'm not offending these kind of things, I'm not even opposite, I'm not even defending that such kind of different thing from parents, right? They have their
uh,
own dream for their child, but you are
exactly.
only the person that you can do something worse for yourself. Okay, so don't depend on others, don't depend on your future as well. Whatever you get, whatever the things you get, just try to improvise yourself with that only, right?
Mm.
And it can be English, it can be your professional world. If you have any kind of good skills and profession, that you can focus over that for a long time, and
Mm.
along with the time you will be successful. Okay, it doesn't mean that it takes it, some of the people takes long time, some of the people takes very short time to make themselves successful, right?
Exactly.
But they'll have the time, they'll have their own time. Okay,
Uh,
don't focus others that he is taking very less time to making his very successful. Okay, because you are different from others.
exactly.
But
Yeah. We should
whatever
not
you
compare.
choose, yeah, but whatever you choose, whatever you do, just try to stick and try to be very frequent and continuous with that for a long time. Then only you can be successful. Otherwise, there is nothing, there is no particular lesson, there is no particular answer to make yourself successful that you need to understand. Right?
Wow, wow. Yeah, fantastic. Like you have give a very good piece of advice. Number one is all about happiness. Okay, that we should be always happy. Like we should find our because everybody have the different form of happiness. Okay, so we should find a way that in which we should be happy. Okay, and second most important thing. Okay, you said it like what you like to do. Like what is your passion? Please follow that. Okay, because at the end of your life you will be regretting that. Okay, due to my parents or like you will be giving the reason due to that why I'm not able to accomplish that. Wow, like you have said, a great piece of advice to our listener.